Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you already know, that time of year is coming back where you gotta go back to school. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. But anyway, let's do a quick little get ready with me for school or back to school. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. My Tarte Rainforest of the Sea drops. This is gonna add some nice radiance to my skin. I remember when it was back to school time for me, I used to hate having to get ready for back to school. I used to hate those commercials. It's like, oh, back to school, like the Old Navy and Target commercials. Like, am I really supposed to be happy or excited that I'm going back to school? Explain. New Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation in Y415. I'm gonna use one of these MUFE brushes, MUFE cosmetic brushes or whatever. You can find this brand at Target. Really good, packs on the coverage, and it blends it out in 2 seconds. So now after we have our nice little dewy, fresh wake up skin on, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlight. And I'm just going to pop that on just to give us an awake appearance on top of that radiant base that we put down. A blusher just on the apples to kind of make it look like we're a little bit sun-kissed and alive. Yeah, so you see, getting ready for school in the morning can't be that bad, or shouldn't be that bad. You could get ready really quick, use some essentials. You could obviously, use this as a tutorial base or make it your own. Put some concealer to brighten up the under eyes, open up the eyes with some mascara, shape the brows a little bit, add on some gloss. For me, this is all I want to do in the morning. Get in and get out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that ring bell so you can get notified when I do post. And if you have any tips, tricks, advice, or any video suggestions, let me know. Thank you so much. Bye.